And now, no child left behind remains, and our work continues, as it always has. For while we can look back on our over 150 years of history with pride, more often we look ahead. To advocating for education employees, to continuing our efforts to make all schools safe and healthy places to learn, something we've been working on for our entire history. In 1985, for example, NEA successfully lobbied for the School Hazard Abatement Act, mandating the removal of asbestos from public schools. But it became clear to many that more work needed to be done, so in 1987, NEA's Health Information Network was formed, a nonprofit affiliate that provides health and safety information to members and students alike. Improving public schools has always been a goal of the NEA. In the 80s and 90s, NEA's National Center for Innovation created such site-based programs as the Learning Laboratories Initiative, which work with school districts around the country, and the Teacher Education Initiative, which was designed to strengthen the quality of teacher preparatory programs at the college level. Another innovative program is called the Keys to Excellence in Your Schools Initiative, or just KEYS for short. In 2002, the NEA joined with several private sector partners to create the Partnership for 21st Century Skills, an organization with the goal of creating learning environments whose students are problem solvers, communicators, collaborators. In other words, 21st century thinkers. 21st century schools are popping up around the country, and more are expected every year as the concept evolves and the movement grows. Another long-term objective of the association is improving teacher quality. In fact, the NEA was a founding member of the National Board for Professional Teaching Standards, and since its founding in 1987, over 74,000 teachers have become nationally board certified, indicating that they met rigorous standards and are now highly qualified to teach. Encouraging all teachers to become highly qualified is important as we work for higher teacher salaries across the country. Professional pay, professional development, both big issues for our nation's teachers. But as we make our way in this new century, they are certainly not the only issues. NEA's priorities include small class sizes and accountability systems that utilize multiple measures of achievement, not a high-stakes, one-size-fits-all approach. And we're focusing our energy on closing achievement gaps with programs at the local, state, and national level designed to identify and solve these complex problems. One program that's had a huge impact at all levels is the highly successful Read Across America. Originally designed as a one-day event to highlight the importance of reading to kids, Read Across America has grown to include millions of children, adults, and celebrity volunteers reading year-round, spreading both literacy and fun. Reaching children at an early age is critical for school success, which is why another NEA priority is the nationwide expansion of preschool programs. And once students are in school, we need to keep them there. Dropout prevention programs have been designed to help educators, parents, and students themselves find good reasons to stay in school. Through our Minority Community Outreach Program, we help disadvantaged students and English language learners and their families so all students have a chance to succeed. Of course, education funding has always been a major priority of the association. Whether it was picketing the school board, or lobbying a senator, or asking the president, we've been trying to encourage the government to invest in education since, well, 1857. But with the economy in recession, unemployment at its highest rate in years, and businesses closing across the country, money is tight, and purse strings are held even tighter. Add to this the spiraling cost of college tuition, and every year, higher education moves out of more people's reach. This is wrong, and one of the NEA's priorities is to make college more affordable and reduce the burden of debt on new graduates. I know how important this issue is to young people. I see them every day. I'm Louis Watanabe, a business instructor here at Bellevue College in Bellevue, Washington. I'm also a higher education member of the Washington Education Association and the NEA. All of the priorities of the association are based on our core values, like professionalism. We believe that the expertise and judgment of education professionals are critical to student success. We maintain the highest professional standards, and we expect the status, compensation, and respect due all professionals.
The special mission of the NEA to advocate for education professionals and to help fulfill the promise of public education to prepare every student to succeed in a diverse and interdependent world has led us to our vision. NEA believes that every child in America, regardless of family income or place of residence, deserves a quality education. Our vision is a great public school for every student.